Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is 8th question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that which of the following numbers are prime? So for part A, 23. So 23 के factors हो जाएंगे हमारे 23 into 1 and 1 into 23. So इसके factors हो जाएंगे 1, 23. Number 1 and number itself. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा prime number. Yes. For B, 51 into 1, 1 into 51, 3 into 17. So इसके हो जाएंगे हमारे factors 1, 3, 17 and 51. So ये हो जाएगा हमारा 51 composite number, not prime number. So 51 is not a prime number. C, 37 into 1 and 1 into 37. इसके और फैक्टर्स नहीं होंगे, so इसके फैक्टर्स होंगे 1, 37, 1 and the number itself. So 37 is a prime number. And D, 26. So 26 into 1, 1 into 26, 13 into 2. So factors जाएंगे 1, 2, 13, 26. So 4 factors हैं. So ये हो जाएगा हमारा composite number, not a prime number. Thank you.